Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. Kwah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ki arngut ki syukurim katau Raja Raghuvanshi bat ka Sonam Raghuvanshi ki layat ho hakash potri ujemang arajar alpusan. Hakar potri ujemang kila mi na ying barwan Pasha Meghalaya bat kila poi hanong riat hakar pu atri ujemang arajar alpusan bat hakar pu lai trek pat ber arngut kila jar ngai bat om the be issue yaki. Hadim lalap na so rarim ya skuti bagi pendan kam ki pulen kelas dang manwat ki arngut hendri hakar atri ujeliu arajar alpusan lalap ya kemencung Raja Raghuvanshi nakariat mat arliang kebedan hajan ke kesat we saudong bat ke jingwat ke Sonam kala beteng Hindre mentaga step jong ke kandai terik ke Sonam keluan pendam hi haki pulit jong ke Ghaziapur district jong ke Jilla Uttar Pradesh bat langut ki beri ke bakala ainong bat penyap yau raja kila syakem ke kum jing tip balayo lum layat ho bahadiem begladep yat ho uraja Kwah benik kai honeymoon Sri Lanka Henry Sonam kala Pynbor ya uraja benik kai bet juga Thai North East baca Meghalaya bat uru uklampai perkat bakan jia kumni u bat ula ko ngobet yaka dekat bagedang dan hasora kibru jang ke Sonam kinang but di niki ban yo yakalat ke babiang ban penyap.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.